Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. Our chef Payal today will be showing you a Pav Bhaji but in a pressure cooker. So let's see how it is made. So as this recipe says to make the bhaji in a pressure cooker, so I've taken this pressure cooker. I'm going to add some oil, butter. This combination of oil and butter is very good, so make sure you use both of it. To this I'm going to add some cumin seeds and allow them to crackle. We'll add the onions and capsicum. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for 2 minutes. To this we'll add lots of tomatoes, potatoes, some cauliflower florets, green peas. The best part about this recipe is that you don't have to cook anything. It all gets pressure cooked. Some chilli powder, Pav Bhaji masala, salt and some hot water. We'll mix this well. Yes, so it has been mixed well, as you can see. We'll pressure cook this for 3 whistles. So it has been 3 whistles and our cooker has also cooled down. Let's check. Yes, so we're going to mix it well and we're going to mash it. Make sure you mash this when it's hot. Yes, so it has been mashed well and it's ready, as you can see. To this we'll add the coriander and we will mix it well. See, it was so easy to make. All you have to do is put the ingredients in a cooker. Let's quickly serve it. So a delicious pressure cooker Pav Bhaji is ready, as you can see. It was so easy to make. We'll garnish it with some finely chopped onions, a lemon wedge and some finely chopped coriander. So our delicious jiffy Pav Bhaji is ready, as you just saw. So serve it along with some buttered pavs and some accompaniments like onions, coriander and lemon, and enjoy it. And do share your comments in the box below. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.